In this video, I want to walk through the steps of what to expect when getting vaccinated for COVID-19. There are three types of vaccines available in the United States right now: the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, which require 2 shots 3 weeks apart, and the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which requires 1 shot. If you're wondering which of these vaccines is best for you, the honest answer is whatever one you can get the soonest. The first step is to register with your state sign-up list. You'll answer some questions about your preconditions. Then, when the state is ready to vaccinate your group, you'll be given access to the VAM site, which is set up by the CDC. Once you have access to the VAM site, you'll be able to schedule your vaccine appointment. The site will list the location and times of different vaccination sites. Pick one of the times and locations for your vaccination. After you've picked your location, date, and time, you'll be given a barcode with your vaccination information on it. Confirm that your vaccination is set correctly, then print it off to bring with you to your vaccination. It's very possible that your vaccination site is not a traditional clinic, so there will likely be some signs directing you to where you need to be. After following the signs, you should find an entrance with a worker helping to direct people inside. Once inside, you'll be directed to stand in line to check into your appointment. The line may look long, but it does move very quickly. Once you get to the front of the line, you'll be directed to a worker at a computer that will check you into your appointment. After you check in, you'll be given your vaccination card. After you have your vaccination card, you'll stand in a shorter line to actually get your vaccination. The vaccination itself was very quick and didn't hurt at all in my case. You'll get a sticker on your vaccination card that shows that you've been vaccinated, and you'll be sent to a waiting area to wait either 15 or 30 minutes before you go. You're asked to keep track of your time yourself, so there's nothing stopping you from leaving early. But ideally, you'll want to wait 15 minutes just to make sure you don't have any complications. And the whole time I was in the vaccination facility, I didn't see anyone that had any complications. And that's it. After that, you're ready to drive yourself home. Some people report side effects after their vaccine, but I didn't really have any aside from a sore left arm.